Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the spread soft enough to work. Take it out of the fridge 10-20 minutes so it's pliable. While it warms, pick your base: toast for crunch, crepe for foldability, or banana for natural sweetness, because texture changes the mouthfeel. Then scoop a modest amount with a knife or spoon. Smaller portions prevent sogginess. Once done, spread from center outward in a thin, even layer to control thickness and avoid tearing delicate bases. Now you'll transform a simple spread into a composed bite. Add texture first, crumbled nuts or granola, for contrast against the creamy base. Then introduce flavor accents like a pinch of sea salt or orange zest to lift the chocolate. These amplify aroma and reduce cloying sweetness. If you want balance, dollop yogurt or ricotta at the edge so each bite hits sweet plus tang. Make sure to press toppings lightly so they adhere but keep their crunch. To finish, add a small decorative drizzle, a dust of cocoa, or a few whole nuts for visual appeal. Presentation affects perceived taste. For leftovers, press plastic directly on the surface, reseal the jar, and refrigerate homemade spreads up to 2 weeks to maintain freshness. If the spread is too stiff, warm it gently in short bursts or stir in a teaspoon of neutral oil to loosen. This preserves texture without thinning flavor. If separation occurs, stir vigorously until homogeneous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.